artificial intelligence isn't just changing business. It's creating an entirely new class of millionaires who are building 6- and 7-figure companies faster than we've ever seen in history. Today, we're exploring exactly how they're doing it.
You know what's fascinating about this trend? Just 2 years ago, building a 6-figure business typically took 18 to 24 months. Now we're seeing entrepreneurs hit that mark in under 6 months using AI tools.
Let me break down why this acceleration is happening. There are 3 major factors driving this AI business boom, and they're completely reshaping how we think about entrepreneurship.
I'm particularly interested in the automation aspect. I was just reading about a solo entrepreneur who's managing a $50,000 monthly business using primarily AI tools.
That's exactly the kind of transformation we're seeing. The first factor is automation, leading to dramatically lower costs. Instead of hiring a team of 10 people, entrepreneurs can now run sophisticated operations with just 2 to 3 key staff members.
How are they maintaining quality with such lean teams?
Well, here's what's clever. They're using AI for the repetitive tasks while humans focus on strategy and relationships. For example, one content agency I studied uses AI to generate first drafts, but has expert editors who polish and personalize the content. They're producing 300% more content with just 20% of the staff they used to need.
That kind of efficiency is remarkable. What about the other factors driving this trend?
The second factor is speed to market. AI tools are allowing entrepreneurs to launch products and services in days instead of months. I know one software company that used AI to build and launch a complete customer service platform in just 3 weeks. Something that would have taken 6 to 8 months traditionally.
The implications for competitive advantage are huge there.
Exactly right. And that leads to the third factor, leverage. These AI systems work 24/7, which means once you set up the right systems, you can scale revenue without proportionally scaling your time or team size.
Let's dive into some specific business models. I'm seeing a lot of buzz around AI-powered content agencies.
Content agencies are absolutely crushing it right now. Using tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Synthesia, they're offering everything from blog posts to full video production. The most successful ones are charging between $2,000 to $5,000 monthly retainers per client.
Those numbers are impressive. What's the typical profit margin on services like that?
Most AI content agencies are seeing 70 to 80% profit margins because their main costs are just software subscriptions and a small team of editors. One agency owner I interviewed is clearing $40,000 monthly profit with just 2 full-time employees.
That's fascinating. What about the AI chatbot and automation services market?
This is another huge opportunity. Businesses are paying anywhere from $1,500 for basic chatbot implementation to $10,000 for complex automation systems. The real money is in industry-specific solutions, like chatbots designed specifically for real estate or healthcare.
Speaking of specialized solutions, what about the AI-powered course and coaching business model?
The education market is particularly interesting because AI is making it possible to create personalized learning experiences at scale. Course creators are using AI to generate custom content paths, provide automated feedback, and even create interactive exercises.
How are they pricing these AI-enhanced courses?
The sweet spot seems to be between $497 and $1,997 per customer. But here's what's really interesting. The most successful course creators are using AI to offer tiered support levels. They might have AI handling basic student questions while reserving personal coaching for premium customers.
Let's talk about implementation. What's the roadmap for someone wanting to build a 6-figure AI business?
The first crucial step is choosing one business model and becoming an expert in it. I've seen too many people try to do everything at once and fail. The second step is finding a specific niche. The more targeted your audience, the easier it is to command premium prices.
And what about the technical aspects? Not everyone has a background in AI.
That's where the 80-20 rule comes in. Use AI to automate 80% of your work, but focus on the 20% that requires human expertise. Start with simple AI tools and gradually incorporate more advanced solutions as you grow.
What's the biggest mistake you're seeing people make in this space?
The biggest mistake is trying to compete on price instead of value. If you're charging $300 per client, you need 28 clients to reach $100,000 annually. But if you're charging $2,500 per client, you only need 40 clients. It's much easier to find and serve 40 high-value clients than hundreds of low-paying ones.
That's such an important perspective on pricing. Any final thoughts on where this is all heading?
We're at a fascinating inflection point. The entrepreneurs who are embracing AI now aren't just building businesses, they're creating entirely new categories of services that weren't possible before. The opportunity isn't just in using AI tools, it's in reimagining what's possible in business.
Thank you for breaking this down so clearly today. It's been incredibly informative.
Remember everyone, the future isn't about having access to AI tools, it's about how creatively and effectively you use them to solve real business problems. We'll see you next time.